TreeMendous. We have this really cute Christmas ornament decorating craft idea for kids. It has a user manual, just super easy to set up and operate. Require 3 AA batteries. And this is the actual product. So right here is you power it on, and this rotates, okay? So it comes with 9 plastic bulbs. And it's really easy. You see there's a notch here, so it just slips right into the notches, like so. And then when you power it on, it just spins. So if you hold your marker in one place, then you'll have a perfect circle. It does come with 8 markers, but you can use Sharpies. I mean, you could use pretty much any kind of marker, but it does come with 8 different colors. We have Seahawk colors. We are a Seahawks fan, so we are going to do blue and green. So I'm just going to show you, I'm going to do one here on camera to show you how easy it is to operate and how fun it is to operate. So we just click this button right here and it spins and you just hold your marker. See that? Oh my gosh, perfect circles. So great for kids if you have children, if you have a preschool, a classroom, and you're looking for a creative idea to make DIY ornaments that look actually like professional. So look at that. Okay, so now we're going to add the blue. And I'm going to just try to go in between. So I just think that looks really cool. And because of how precise it is, you definitely could not do every other by hand. So to be able to do it, it looks really good. That is amazing. So I'm going to let it dry for a minute. I don't know if it smudges or not, but just in case, I don't want to touch it because I don't want it to smudge. Pops right out. I just popped it out. And there is the lid that just pops right in. And you can just add a string, a ribbon, a hook, and now you have a DIY crafty ornament. So you can do this with your kids and they can gift them to relatives. You can do it if you have your own tree and you want to add just an extra unique touch, but I think it's perfect for kids because kids love to make stuff and get creative and use their hands, and now they have a gift to give someone. That looks good. That's something they can be proud of. I had to share the unboxing. This is the cutest packaging. It would be a great gift to send to your grandkids or relatives. Here you can see all the white bulbs it comes with, instructions. They're plastic and bouncy, perfect for kids. Here's the colorful 8 set of markers it comes with, bright colors, or you can use Sharpies.